So hello buddies, in this video we are going to create such an awesome mega menu for your WordPress website that will avoid the scroller effect in your home screen. So first of all, I'm going to Google and search the website just like I have all leads accountant, and you can see here I have currently a basic menu, that is a hamburger menu that comes with the basic theme or the template what you are using for your website. To shift to the mega menu, there's a simple steps, simple plugins, simple customization. Let's go. Come to my business email and search my website with WP admin and comes to dashboard. So boom, we are in a dashboard, and as we know that for the first of time whenever we are going to make a header, we have to make a menu. Menu is here in appearance, and here it is menu. So open it, and we are here in the menu bar. So first you have to make sure that you have enable mega menu, that your checkbox is clicked. As like I have already a mega menu, so here I have a checked. So whenever you checked your mega menu box, you will see such an icon, mega menu, that only will appear with the parental, not with the child's or sub items. So why it's happened? Because this give the interface or any disparate screen to the sub items. Whenever you click, then here such a pop-ups come. I already developed the mega menu, so this is enabled, but on your screen it seems like this disabled. So you have to enable it simply. After enabling, the edit with Elementor bar will be open and just go on. Whenever you click on edit with Elementor, it will take some time, depends upon your website hosting, your website speed, and the component of your menu. So here our Elementor is open. So as I said earlier, I have already created the mega menu for the website. So here is my mega menu. So before going to create the mega menu, you have to make sure that you have installed the right plugin. So for the element and the other activities, we need the plugin names Elements Kit. So here it is, Elements Kit. This is Elements Kit by Rexor or something looks like. So you have to make sure that you have activate this plugin. I already activated, so come to the Elementor. So you will see such an icon in your Elementor working place. So come to here and sections. Whenever you come to section, the category will seems like that, but we don't have work with that. We simply search mega, and when click, here it is the mega menu already developed designs. So search for your own service. This is something like for e-commerce, and we have to see such a minimalistic item. So here you see there are some premium designs that you have Elements Kit Pro, then you can enable to import them. So it's already, so I will prefer the first one cause the first one is always free, and as well as it has minimalistic designs, and everything works perfectly. So here it is. I have successfully imported the mega menu item to my Elementor workplace. So according to your sub items means according to your menu items, you have to decide how many columns your WordPress website will take. So I have currently just 10 items. For this one I have made 2 columns and 5 URLs in each. So delete the extra columns and keep the necessary ones, and reduce them also, cause I need just 10 items. So after deleting all of them, and there is the headings of the list, you have to delete it too, cause we don't need it. So it's simple like the icon list, that whenever we are developing the page, we have icon list, but here it's a page list. Difference because it's already developed by someone, so his approach or her approach is a page list. So whenever you click this, you can import your link, your page link here, and you can add icon to your mega menu from this point. Just show text and show icon, you click on the show icon, and you have to decide the proper icon, just like I have deciding to choose the right arrow, just like a greater one. It's important from the UX perspective, cause it gives the proper direction to user to click on the URLs or to click on the menu item. Just make sure it on the top, and now it's perfectly aligned with the text. You can play with the everything, it's so simple, just like the Elementor workplace. So here it's a hover effect, and here it's the text color effect, the basic text color effect will seems here. And you can also increase or decrease the size of your text, and can make a simple branding of your website. You can import your own family of the text from here. So this is the simple criteria to develop the mega menu. If you want to make such a more items like that, then subscribe my channel and just comment the work you want from me and the query you want to solve from my side. Till then, keep growing, keep learning, and best of luck.